Hello world, this is Abhinav Tonk, and today's video is for all those people who have never done any exercise in their life, who have never lifted weight, but they want to kickstart their fitness journey. So let me call all those group of people as new joiners. So in today's video, I am going to explain you a strategy by which all the new joiners can design their workout schedule. The strategy which I am talking here is based on Fibonacci series. Let me explain you what Fibonacci series is. So Fibonacci series is a series of numbers in which any particular number can be calculated by doing the summation of last two numbers. We have 0 and 1 as the starting two numbers, and the series grows by doing the summation of last two numbers. So if we want to calculate the Fibonacci series beyond 0 and 1, so we have to calculate the number in the series one by one. So the next number in the series after 0 and 1 will be 0 plus 1, the summation of last two numbers, which will be 1. So our series will be 0, 1 and 1 now. Now the next number in the series will be calculated by doing the summation of last two numbers. So last two numbers here are 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So now our series becomes 0, 1, 1, 2. Similarly, next few numbers will be 3, 5, 8, 13 and so on. So this is how Fibonacci series grows. So how we will use the Fibonacci series in designing the workout schedule for all the new joiners? Let me explain you in an explanation video.
So we are going to discuss about the Fibonacci series. So a lot of people pronounce it as Fibonacci series, some people call it as Fibonacci series, but actually let me tell you one fact. So Fibonacci was an Italian mathematician, and in Italy double CI is pronounced as Chi. So you might have heard about the actress Monica Bellucci. Her surname is pronounced as Bellucci and not Bellucci. That is why we call this word as Fibonacci and not Fibonacci. Now let's discuss what Fibonacci series is. Fibonacci series starts with two numbers 0 and 1, and the number in the series is the summation of previous two numbers. So the next number in the series will be 0 plus 1. So this is the summation of 0 and 1. Now the next number will be 2, which will be the summation of 1 and 1. Similarly, next number will be 3, which is again the summation of 2 and 1. Next number will be 5, which is the summation of 3 and 2. So that's how the series grows. So this is our Fibonacci series. Now how we will use this Fibonacci series in order to design the workout for all new joiners, we are going to see that. Let me divide this Fibonacci series in this way, and let me write down it as first week, second week, third week, fourth week, fifth week, sixth week, seventh week. So what it denotes is that, so whoever who is recently starting his or her fitness journey, so in the first week his target should be 1K as the exercise volume. It is the exercise volume. I have already told you what exercise volume is. Exercise volume is basically weight lifted multiplied by reps multiplied by sets, right? So for any new joiner in the first week, he or she should target towards 1K kg rep set as the exercise volume. Second week also he should target as 1K, because if someone is doing the exercise for the first time, so first 2 week is basically when he or she will get the maximum muscle pain. So that's why in the first 2 weeks they should not overexert themselves, because in the first 2 weeks they have to cope up with the muscular pain that they are getting while doing the exercise for the first time. In the third week the target exercise volume should be 2K. In the fourth week it should be 3K. Similarly in the fifth week it should be 5K, and in the sixth week it should be 8K. So once the new joiner reaches 8K volume, 8K means 8000 kg rep set. This is exercise volume. So once they reach the exercise volume of 8000 kg rep set, then from the next week onward they can continue with the 8000 kg rep set as the target exercise volume. Whoever is doing the exercise for the first time, they have to basically decide on their limit. So right now I'm just considering it as 8K, but for some new joiners they can even go till the 13K exercise volume also, 13,000 kg rep set. of exercise volume. So it's up to you. If you think you can go till 13k, so you have to go till 13k, or if you feel comfortable in 8k, so you should basically target that your exercise volume should be 8k going forward. And then you can gradually, based on your exercise intensity and how much weight you are able to lift, you can basically jump on to the next level, that is 13k. But 13k is a decent level, and you can target for 13,000 kg rep set from 7th week onward. So you have to decide whether you are comfortable in 8,000 kg rep set or whether you are comfortable in 13,000 kg rep set to continue. So this was the complete idea of using the Fibonacci series in order to design the workout for new joiners. I hope the concept is clear to you.